In today's video, I'll show you how to set up an out-of-office auto reply in Zoho Mail. This handy feature lets anyone who emails you while you're away receive an automatic response, so you stay professional without lifting a finger. Start by opening mailzoho.com in your browser and log in with your credentials. Once inside, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open Mail settings. Next, scroll to Out of Office and click on it. Here, set the start and end dates for your absence. Add a subject line like Out of Office auto reply so recipients know immediately why they're getting your response. Then write your message. Include details such as when you will return and who to contact for urgent matters. For example, thank you for your email. I am out of the office and will respond you soon. For urgent matters, please contact my manager. Choose whether the auto reply should be sent once per sender or every time they email you. Finally, toggle the Enable Auto Reply switch on and click Save to apply your settings. And that's it. Your auto replies is active, keeping your contacts informed while you're away.